Install the storage brackets to the organizer by aligning the brackets with the features on the organizer as shown. Secure to the organizer using the screws provided. Install the splice tray studs into the brackets. Remove the splice tray cover, then position the tray on the studs. Route buffer tubes to be spliced to the splice tray. Mark the buffer tube to be opened and expose the bare fibers following your company standard practices. Secure them using the LITEGRIP retention sleeves. Route bare fiber into the tray, then reinstall the cover. Secure the LITEGRIP trays to the organizer using the hold-down strap.